Alright, YouTube modeler. So today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing and kind of a first impression of not a car, but of an airplane here. This is the Roden's 148 World War One Fokker D.VII or D.VII, depending on how you say it. World War One fighter. Very cool. It's got a nice image on the box. It's got a little history of the plane on here. What's even cool is it shows 3 paint schemes that it comes with, and it shows you who flew it, how many victories, and the dates. So that's cool. So I'm going to do the red one here, which is pretty sharp. Reference photos I have actually show a black and white stripes on it, but we'll see. So yeah, so I opened this up, and this is really, really cool. So it's already opened. I washed the parts, but I just wanted to explain this because this is really cool. So you open it up. I put everything back in the box. It's got this real nice box. Real sturdy. Now, all the parts are in a very nice vacuum sealed bag. Not really vacuum sealed bag, but a real nice sealed bag. So you're able to pull all the parts out at once. We'll go to the parts later here. It's got these real nice trees here, real nice looking plastic. And then it had another bag, nicely sealed, of the instructions and the decals of the 3 different planes. And this one's still sealed. Those are the wing decals there. The instructions are really cool. It's mostly written in, being a Ukraine kit, mostly written in Russian. Then you go to the English, and then I believe that is German. It gives you a little history of the plane. Some technical performance stuff on it. The address of the company. Now the instructions are very, very nice. These are very clean looking instructions. I have no issues whatsoever with it. I'll go slow here so you could see, use them as reference photos or whatever. There was one little issue I had with the instructions, which I'll show you at the very end here. It's a little booklet here, so it kind of wants to go all over the place. So doing the engine there, that looks pretty sharp. I found some videos on YouTube of the engine, so I could paint it how it should be. Found a very nice cockpit interior photo too, so try to do that. Putting the fuselage and the engine together there. The wings. These parts here, and maybe a little difficult, but you know what? Patience. The wheels. Landing gear, I should say. It's kind of a useless photo. They could have put that up there. Anyways. Now it's got the decal placements. But this is also where they tell you where the paints are. Very basic paints here. Just steel gray, grass green, scarlet, aluminum, gunmetal, flat white, flat black, dark gray. So this is where they tell you where the colors are. Which you would think they would put it on the section, like, I don't know, Revell and AMT does, I guess. But this is not a Revell or AMT. So these are real nice instructions. I like them. Maybe I'll learn a little Russian. I have no idea how to speak that. That's just random stuff to me. Anyways. Now the parts here, let me move this stuff out of the way here. The plastic is extremely nice. Should I take that out? Yeah, we'll take that out. The plastic is extremely nice. It's thick plastic, but not too thick where it looks toyish. Very little flash. I mean, there are some parts here that you can see the flash around here. That is quite a bit of flash. But for the most part, that's not a very big plane. The wings are kind of big. Here's your engines. Here is some other miscellaneous stuff. That looks like the cockpit actually. And then rear rudders there. Like I said, very clean. It's got nice pegs. Looks like everything connects real nicely. I gotta tell you, this looks like a well-engineered kit. They got this there. Again, here's a little more flash on that one there, but you know, whatever. Like I said, these supports for the bi-wing there, that looks like could be a little difficult. And then there's 2 of these, so I'm presuming one for each wing. I mean, a left and a right. And here's the wing. This is where the big mamma jamma comes in. I got to pan out here. The wing is a fairly good sized wing. To a model car, it's about just as long as a model, about half as long as a model car. So with that and the fuselage, let's go back over here and bring the fuselage out. One more there. So that'll be a good sized plane there. Put that in the middle. Fairly decent sized plane. Well, like I said, this is crisp. I mean, you can see the lines in here if it focuses. Focus. That's not gonna focus. Dog's barking in the background again. It's got almost see it, but it's actually very well defined. I don't know why it's not focusing if I press that. So underneath, you'll need a little. Oh, you can see right there, it needs a little cleanup. But with coat of paint on it, it'd be okay. So this is my Fokkers D.VII, DII, whatever you want to call it. It will be in a similar paint scheme to this when I do it, but I just wanted to unbox it to you, show it to you, and show you this looks real nice so far. So hopefully this will be a pleasure to build. If you stay tuned to my channel, I'm going to build this one up next. So stay tuned to my channel for updates. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write, all that good stuff. Wherever at, whatever you're doing. I'll catch you guys later.